winter, the gray days and overcast skies, colder weather, damp, cold weather can give us cabin fever, but that doesn't have to be the case. There are plenty of things you can do indoors that are fun and educational for the entire family. Kristen Baffo, a local mom blogger, joins us in studio with a look at some of the ways that we can keep playing through the season. Thank you for being here.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
It's our pleasure. So I see we have a table full of goodies to talk about. Let's start by mentioning all of these have a learning component.
Yes, everything has an educational component. A lot of them offer STEM as well. So should we go ahead and get started?
Yeah, absolutely.
So first up we have the Ollie ball, which is unbreakable and it will not mark up your windows or your walls. It was created by a mom and dad in LA. And this retails for $14.99. So pretty simple.
Play ball in the house.
Play ball in the house, won't mix everything up, and you get to color on it. So it's got all these little different pictures. You can paint, use markers, crayons, all of that.
It still seems like it would be like firm enough that it would knock over an expensive vase.
It's pretty firm, and you get to blow it up yourself. So you can kind of decide how firm you want it.
Just make sure you don't have any breakables because they could still knock them over.
I mean, it can still knock stuff over.
All right.
Next up, we've got, this is for our little ones. I have 2 little girls, so this is great for me, three years and up. It's a texture memory thing, so it helps children kind of learn.
Can we turn this?
Yeah, absolutely. You can learn, it's got different textures throughout here, and then the pieces, and they can kind of, it's a memory board, so they can kind of pair them up. And the great thing about learning textures is it helps with language. So when children are 3 years of age, that's usually the time where they're starting to really get their vocabulary going. Okay,
we have something front and center up there, a couple of bulldozers or tractors.
Everybody, especially boys, are really big into trucks too, girls too. So this is a 50-piece construction set. It has all the roadwork assembly that goes with it. It's great for creative play, either individually or as a group. So it promotes thinking skills, shape recognition, creativity, hand-eye coordination, gross motor skills, and it's cognitive too.
All right, well, when you're a kid and you set up dominoes or some sort of Rube Goldberg contraption, is that what this is here? So
this is kind of cool. So it's similar, yes. You put it up on the wall. It's another STEM item, so science, technology, engineering, and math. It sticks right up to the wall. It will not ruin your paint. It won't ruin your wallpaper. And there's no limit to it. You can continue to add pieces to your collection, so you can start off with something real simple and then build it to something super elaborate.
Story blocks, how are these different than Lego?
So this is really cool. This is compatible with Lego. It's another STEM product. And what it is it includes QR codes that you can create interactive learning. So you get to follow along on the adventure with Seymour, and he's going to take you, who's a robot, and he's going to take you through a bunch of different mysterious light ocean mystery, as you could say. And then with it, you get to build these different Lego blocks along as you read the story. So it's interactive, you're telling a story, and it's teaching different components like electricity, current, power, and voltage.
It's like a third-party partner with Lego, but not called Lego.
Yes, exactly. It's definitely compatible.
All right, we have a mini golf putt-putt, indoor putt-putt course.
So this is really, really cool. So it's a glow mini golf, so you could set it up in, if you had a playroom or down in a basement or even outside. So it allows you to set up an entire mini golf, 5 different holes, and you get to set them up however you want. So there's all kinds of ways that you can configure it, and it's great fun for the whole family.
All right, where can people follow you online or on social media or what have you?
You can follow me at House of Baffo on Instagram, or you can also reach me with Detroit's Moms blog. I will be one of their co-hosts for their upcoming Mom series podcast called Unfiltered Mom.
That was terrible. I didn't even.
You might need to work on that.
I do need to. My golf game is going to heck. Thank you so much for being here today.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.